Hello everyone, how are you? I am fine, thanks to God. Now today I show you how selection sort algorithm sort is a given array. So in this video I detail or show you more the general description and the principles of how selection sort algorithm sort is a given array. So starting from the definition, as you remember in the previous two sorting mechanisms in the last two videos, what is sorting first and how we use it. So as you remember, sorting is a process of reordering a given list or collection either in increasing or decreasing order. This is a general definition of sorting. So in order to list a list of items is a fundamental computer problem in most of the time in computing environment or in the computer science. So sorting is the most important fundamental operations performed by any computing operation or processes. So sorting is the first step in more complex algorithms that we design. And to do this for different applications and different areas, sorting is very fundamental, so now from different types of sorting mechanisms, the first simple sorting, or it is similar to insertion sort, and the bubble sort and selection sorts are the fundamental or most type of sorting. Today in this video we more focus how selection sort algorithm is implemented, or how we implement selection sort algorithm to sort a given array or a given list of items. So the basic idea in selection sort algorithm is first loop through the array from the initial or from the first index up to the last index of the array, from 0 up to n minus 1, assume n is the size of the array. This is the first assumption or idea. And the second option or the second assumption is select the smallest element from the list of arrays from the initial or from the first index up to the last index of the array. First select the smallest item from the list. This is the second idea. And the third one is swap this smallest value from the position where it found to the first index of your array. This is how selection sort algorithm basically designed for and how we implement it. So good. Selection sort algorithm is in many ways it is similar to that of simple search algorithm, but the difference is, as I told you, only searches the least items from the whole array list and swap to the first index of your array. So the idea of the algorithm is quite simple, that of the above. So an imaginary another half of your array space or list may you divide and assume that and select the smallest and put to your empty array list. So until what? Until the unsorted array list is empty. Until the unsorted array is empty, pick the smallest, put based on their order, pick from the unsorted item and put on the sorted item based on the sequence of arrangement. So this is how the selection sort algorithm is implemented. So the basic objective of this video is how practically we implement it. So look this fragment of code. This given sample C++ fragment of code is used to sort given array using selection sort algorithm. You can accept from the user by using any loop mechanism, list of arrays, or you can declare initially list of arrays by your own. Let us assume the array list. This is your array name, and you have and list is equals to assume this value. Let 7 6 5 2 1 5 2 1, or we can change some value here, 4, maybe 4, to see. This is disordered list by default. As you see, this is a given is disordered list. So we want to see if it is a correct or increasing order format. So how we sort? Okay, good. So how we sort this? How we sort this 7, 4. If it is not visible, I write it again. 2, 1. Assume this is the given list, the given array list, and you are expected to, or you want to sort it using selection sort algorithm. How we sort it? So to sort it using selection sort algorithm, we use two for loops. Before that, we create a function which is selection sort, and we pass a list of arrays here for the function. We pass a list of arrays here, and then what you have to do? The next one, what you have to do is that just declare the mean index value, minimum of the array list, one variable, and the temporary variable to swap used to swap two values from the array. And in the first outer for loop, we declare I integer. I started from 0 up to I less than or equal to n minus 2, or I less than n minus 1, you can say. And I plus. Inside the first for loop, we declare another variable which is called or assign. The mean index is equal to I initially. At the first step, we initialize the mean index value as I. That means the first index of the array. Inside another for loop, inside the first for loop, another nested for loop, and j is equal to I plus 1, I is 0, I plus 1, that means j is equal to I plus 1, j less than or equal to n minus 1, j plus. Then without brace, we create or we check the condition which is used to check. The list of j is less than list of mean index. List of j less than mean index. So if this statement is satisfied, we change the value of mean index from I to j. Assume here mean index is I is 0. If this statement satisfied, mean index is changed to the value j, or it takes the value of j. And if this statement is not satisfied or false, or look back to the first or the inner for loop, and j is incremented to from I plus 1 to I plus 2. Therefore, check again. If this statement is satisfied and this mean index is changed as j, the next statement is we execute is check the mean index value is different from I or equal to I. Then if this statement satisfied, we swap the mean index with the temporary value or the ith value of the array list. Therefore, please come on and give attention once. So starting by taking the value I is equals to 0 at the first time, mean index is equals to what? I, which is 0, I is 0, and the next j is equals to what? J is equals to I plus 1 is equals to 1 at the first time. Then check this list, check this condition inside the second for loop. Before that, I think you are familiar with for loops or loops. This is the value, check the condition. If the condition is true, we can proceed to the next line of statement and check it. If list of j is what? 1. List of j, assume this is the array 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here n is equals to 5 because we have 5 elements. Then list of j is what? 1. List of 1 is what? 4. List of 4 less than what? List of mean index. Mean index is what? 0. Therefore, list of 0 is what? 7. If this is statement true, 4 less than 7? No, wrong. This is wrong. Therefore, here list of list of j is 4. 4 less than 7. This is true. Sorry. This statement is true. 4 is less than 7. True. Therefore, what we have to do? Change the mean index value to j. Mean index is equals to j. J is equals to what? J is 1. Good. Then what? Back to the first for loop. Because this for loop only only contains this line of code only, one line of code, because the first for loop didn't have any loop here. This for loop executes or checks the condition always here. If this statement is true, come to here. If this statement is true, maybe if it is false also, check the increment and the decrement value. Therefore, j plus plus here, j is equals to from 1 to 2. It increments from 1 to 2. 2 less than n is what? N here, n is equals to 5 minus 1. Sorry. N is 5, 5 minus 1 is 4. 4. Therefore, j is 2. 2 less than or equal to 4, true. Then go back to again the if statement. List of 2 less than list of mean index. List of 2 is what? List of 2 is 5. 5 less than list of mean index. Mean index is 1. Mean index is 1 here, 4. 5 less than 4. 5 less than 4. Is this statement true? No, wrong. Therefore, we increment again it back to the for loop without changing the mean index value, and j plus plus. J what? J equal to 3. J increment 3. Check the condition. 3 less than or equal to 4. True. Then check the condition inside the for loop. List of 4. List of 3. J is 3. List of 3 less than list of mean index. Mean index is what? 1. J is what? 3. Therefore, list of 3 is what? 2. 2 less than 1. List of 1 is what? 4. 2 less than 4? Yes, absolutely. This is right. This is right. Therefore, what? We are expected to change the value mean index to j. Therefore, j is equals to, mean index is equals to j. Mean index is equals to j is equals to j is 3. Good. Next one. Come on again for the for loop. J plus plus. J becomes what? J equal to 4. 4 less than or equal to 4? True. J less than or equal to 4? True. Therefore, go to the if statement. List of j is 4. List of 4 is what? List of 4 is 1. 1 less than what? List of mean index. Mean index is how much? 3. List of mean index is list of 3. List of 3 is what? 2. 2. 1 less than 2? 1 less than 2? Yes. Therefore, what? What we need to do, if this statement is true, change the value of mean index. Mean index what? Mean index is equals to j is equals to 4. Is equals to 4. Then again, increment the value of j. J what will be? J, come on here. J is equals to increment 5. J 5. 5 less than or equal to 5, false. False. If this condition is false, this false statement inside the for loop statement is not executed. Therefore, we directly pass to this one. This one. Out of the for loop, this statement is the next one. Therefore, if mean index not equal to I, mean index how much? Mean index is 4. Mean index is 4. 4 not equal to I. 4 not equal to I is still 0. Not change it. Not equal to 4 not equal to 0. True. If this statement is true, change or modify or swap this statement, these items. What you have to do, in the place of temp, for the temporary, we put the values of list of I. List of I meaning list of 0. List of 0, which is 7. We put 7, and this space is empty now. Empty now. And what we have to do, list of I is equal to list of mean index. Mean index is the false item. That means 1 we put on the list of 0. List of 0 come to here 1. And list of min index means list of 4. On the place of list of 4, we put the value of temp. The value of temp is 7. Then we change to this to 7. This is the new array. The first round array. Okay, good. Next one. We reach out of the for loop, which the first for loop, and back check, increment the values of I here. I have the first time I is 0. When we increment it, I becomes what? 1. I is incremented to 1. J is incremented to I plus 1 is equals to 2. And min index first, min index is equals to I is equals to what? 1. Then j is equals to I plus 1 is equals to 2. Second time or second round sorting. Then inside the for loop there is a statement again. List of j is 2. List of 2 less than list of 2 less than list of min index. Min index is 1. That means list of 2 less than list of j is what? 2. List of 2 is 5. Is 5 less than list of 4? List of 1. List of min index is 1. List of 1 is 4. Is this statement true? False. This statement is not true. Therefore, we directly pass without changing the min index value. Increment the value of j. We increment the value of j plus j equal to 3. J is incremented to 3. Check the condition. 3 less than or equal to 4. True. If this statement true, excuse the second one. If list of what? J is 3. List of 3 less than list of 1. I is 1. That means min index is 1. List of 3 meaning here 2. 2 less than list of min index. Min index is 1. List of 4. 2 less than 4. True. This statement is true. So what you have to do? Change the value of min index to j. Min index is equals to j is equals to j is 3. Good. Then if this statement true, back to the for loop and increment j becomes 5. J is equals to 5. J is equals to 4. J is equals to 4. Is list of j, that means list of 4. Where is list of 4? 7. Is 7 less than list of min index? Min index is 3. List of 3 is 2. Is 7 less than 2? Wrong. If this statement is wrong, we cannot change the value of min index. Again, modify or check update the value of j plus j is equals to 5, and check the condition. 5 less than 4. N is 5. 5 minus 1 4. 5 j is 5. 5 less than 4. Wrong. If this statement is wrong, we pass or without executing the next statement of the for loop and pass to here. And here min index what's the min index? 3. 3 not equal to I is what? 1. 3 not equal to 1? True. Therefore what you have to do? Swap this one. Swap this one. On the place of temp for the temporary, put out the value of I is 1. That means this statement, this value, and put here temp is equals to temp and 4 for the temporary and 1. Change the value list of I, list of 1 line, put the value of min index. Min index is what? 3. Min index is 3. Min index of list of 3 is 2 here. Remove this and put here. And then list of min index, list of 3 here. 1. Put the value of temp value here. Temp is 4. Temp is 4. This is the second round Shewa. The second round Shewa. Good. Again continue. We reach the end of the for loop, the outer for loop, and back to by implementing I is equals to what? Here I is 1, here I equal to 2 because I plus 2. Min index is equals to min index is equals to what? Min index is equals to I, which is 2. J is equals to I plus 1 is equals to 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Then go to here. By the way, first you should check the condition is true or not false. J is 3. 3 less than or equal to 4? True. Therefore, what you have to do? Check the next statement. List of J, list of 3. List of J means list of 3. When you come to here, list of 3 is 4. 4 less than list of min index. List of min index. Min index is what? 2. 2. List of 2 is what? 5. 4 less than 5. Is this statement true? Yes. Therefore, what we have to do? Change the min index value to J. Min index is changed from I to J, which is 3. Which is 3. And back to again increment the value of J. J became 4. From 3 to 4 when we increment by 1. Then what? Check again. If list of 4 less than list of min index, list of 4 is here 7. If 7 less than min index, list of 3. List of 3 is 4. This is statement. Is this statement true? Wrong. No, this statement is not true. Therefore, we cannot modify the value of min index. Rather, we back to the for loop increment J. J equal to again 5. Check the condition. Is 5 less than or equal to 4? 5 less than or equal to 4? No, this statement is not true. Therefore, we directly turn out from this for loop and go to this statement, this second statement. So min index not equal to I. Min index is what? Here min index is 3. 3 not equal to I. I is what? Here I is 2. 2. 3 not equal to 2? True. Yes, they are not equal. Therefore, what you have to do? Swap this two statements. In the place of temp, for the temporary, we create a variable temp and remove the value of list of I. List of I meaning list of 2. List of 2 is 5 here. We put 5 here and delete from this one. And the next one, list of I on the place of list of I, meaning for this empty space, we fill or we put the values of min index. List of min index. Min index is 3. List of 3 is 4. 4 and delete this one. And what is next? On the place of min index is 3. On the place of list of 3. List of 3 is this one. Put the value of 10. What? This 5. This one. Then what? We reach out of the for loop, the second for loop, and increment the value of I here. I plus. When we increment I is equals to what? 2 to 3. From 2 with increment is 2, 3. Min index is equals to I is equals to 3. J is equals to I plus 1 is equals to 3 plus 1, which is 4. Then check what? The condition first. I is 3 less than or equal to n minus 2. N is what? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. True. Therefore, we can proceed to the next one. Min index is equals to I. That means min index is equals to 3. Yes. Go to the for loop. J is equals to I plus 1. I is 3. 3 plus 1 is 3 plus 1 4. 4 less than or equal to what? N is 5 minus 1 4. 4 less than or equal to 4. True. So we can proceed to the next one. If list of 4, J is 4. List of 4 less than list of min index. That means list of 4 less than list of 3. List of 4 less than list of 3. List of 4 is 7. 7 less than list of 3. List of 3 is 5. Is this statement true? No, this statement is wrong. Therefore, we cannot change the value of min index. Therefore, we directly back and increment the value of J. J becomes what? J plus. J is 4 here. We make it 5. We increment it to 5 and check the condition here. 5 less than n minus 1 is 4. 5 less than or equal to 4? Wrong. This statement is not true. Therefore, this next line of the for loop is not executed. That means this and this one, and we back to or proceed to the if statement. Min index not equal to I. Min index is what? Min index 3. I is 3. 3 not equal to 3. Is this statement false? No. This statement is equal. This is not equal. So that means 3 not equal to 3 is false. They are equal. Therefore, if this statement is false, we cannot swap this one. Without swapping this one, we directly pass to the out of the brace, and we come again to the I and I increment. When we are increment, I becomes where in the previously I is 3. Now when we plus it, it becomes 4. And check 4 less than or equal to 3, and is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 less than or equal to 3, which is false. And without executing this body of the for loop, it directly goes out or turn out from the brace, and the execution of the function is indicated. Finally, our sorted array is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. This is sorted array using selection sort algorithm. Using selection sort algorithm. I will run it on the editor using div++, and I will show you the entire source code by accepting different list elements and sorting it using selection sort. And you can get it on the comment area, the entire source code on the comment area. I will put there. Okay guys, this is how selection sort algorithm sorts a given list of arrays. So just we include the main function, the header file, and we declare a function which is called selection sort by passing list of arrays as a function prototype, and we declare with initialization list of arrays here. And int n is equals to 5, that means the size of the array, and in the main function we place the value before sorting r, we display using this for loop. I starts from 0 up to 5, list of I display, then sort list of I, then selection sort. When we call the selection sort function, that means this function by passing the array name only, and we get the sorted items, and we display using this for loop. How it works, as I should show you on the board, on the whiteboard. We declare the mean index and temporary variables. This is used to select the minimum element or the smallest element from the list of arrays. Used to select, and this temp is used to swap two array items from the array. And in the first for loop, we keep the values of I by modifying the mean index value using I, and inside the second for loop we check the list of the array with the mean index value of the array, and if this condition satisfied, we modify the mean index value to j, and back to the first the inner for loop because this for loop ends until this condition becomes false. And if this for loop ends, then we pass to this if condition and execute. If this condition is true, we execute or swap these two elements, list of I and the list of mean index. We swap these two items from the array list, and finally we increment the value of I continuously until this condition becomes false. I starts from 0 up to n minus 2, that means 3. I increments to 0, 1, 2, 3. When I becomes 4, this condition is false, and the entire for loop, that means this up to this execution or body of the for loop is jumped or turned out and the program is finished here. Therefore, when we call this selection sort function here, the array is sorted and displayed using this one. Thank you. Please don't forget by subscribing my channel. If you assume or if you think this channel or this video is important for your friend, please subscribe, share to your friend. Thank you. And if you have questions and suggestions related to selection sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, or simple sorting algorithm, please welcome. I'm okay, and I will reply to you whatever you ask to me. Thank you for today. If you have any question, suggestion, please don't hesitate to ask me. Please support my channel, like, share, subscribe. This is all about selection sort algorithm.